still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe.
What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me yet again for another video. Wow, it is very cold today. About 3 months ago, we made the challenge for the channel, and we challenged ourselves that if we hit 1,000 subs, we were gonna get a new clutch. Now, my last video, you guys saw the clutch that I got and where I unboxed it. Okay. I just finished talking to the person who's going to install my clutch. His name is, I'm gonna call him Mr. Pelkman, because that is his last name. I'll give you guys some contact info for him after the install video, not before. So today we're just really setting the appointment. Tomorrow morning we will be installing this clutch. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. My buddy Sammy, I'm picking him up, and he's coming out, taking the 2.5 hour drive out to Jersey to get this installed. I did clean up the car yesterday.
Living me dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating.
When I make a promise, guys, it definitely happens. We've set up the date for the clutch. It's so exciting. Today I don't have really too much time for content creation, but I did want to reach out to you guys and let you know exactly what's going on. Guys, 7 months ago, I had no idea that the channel would be in the position that it is in right now. It is so exciting to see that, you know, there's a following on YouTube, and that people want to see my Mark 7. I never thought someone would like to actually pay attention to me ramble and do work on my car, which is what I love to do. So I really wanted to take the time and say thank you for you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, a lot of the opportunities that have recently opened up to me would not be possible if you guys weren't viewing my channel and you know, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button. And it was amazing to see how everyone, after this whole YouTube 1,000 sub thing, rallied behind the channel, and we just blew up, which was great. I mean, I don't have 5,000 subs in a month, but I think 300 subs in a month was awesome. We got to the 1,000 subscriber mark about 10 days prior to where we were setting pace for, which was insane. I mean, I thought that I was just going to, I'm a big math guy, so I was doing all kinds of calculations. I was like, if I play my cards right, I will probably hit the 1,000 subscriber mark by the 20th, but maybe I might have to reapply for monetization, blah, 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 blah. And we hit 1,000 subs with 10 days to spare. So now I don't know, YouTube wasn't very clear on how the whole monetization worked. For me, it was just really about the 1,000 subs. But I think for monetization, it's going to be 1,000 subs within 365 days. So at the pace we're going anyway, we will be around 1,100, and that is that will put me on pace for 1,000 subs within the last 365 days. So I'm not worried about that anymore. You guys have really been the champions in this, and you guys have seen this through. So we've got lots planned for the channel. If you guys didn't watch my live stream, then I guess I'll mention it now. I did give the channel a new challenge. So the new challenge is going to be, at the time we hit 5,000 subs, we're gonna introduce a brand new project to the channel. I've decided somewhat of which car it will be. I just have not decided what model of that car it will be. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go 4-door or 2-door. It's definitely gonna be a Euro, and it's a pretty common car that a lot of people might like to see built, especially the way I want to build it, because I want to build it as a budget drift car. I don't want to put too much money into it, which is, you know, it's really going to be my first drift car, and it's going to be what's going to kind of put my first step in the drift world and bring out some new content for you guys, hopefully this summer. So again, guys, thank you for 1,000 subs. I can't wait till tomorrow morning. We're gonna install the clutch. I have to take obviously a 2.5 hour drive out there, but I think it's gonna be worth it. If JR14's clutch was installed by this guy and is still holding up perfectly, and he hasn't had any issues as far as clutch goes, then I think we're in a safe position, and I think we're gonna do big things with this. So the plans are install the clutch, drive the 500 miles, and then we are gonna get the car dyno hopefully by next week. Now this trip is maybe 70 miles one way or so, so that's gonna be, you know, 20% of all of the miles that I need to drive. And I'll make a video about how important it is to run the 500 miles during the break-in period for a clutch. It's super important for longevity of the clutch and just the overall feel and performance. You want to make sure that it always grabs during high boost. So thank you very much again, guys, for 1,000 subs. I will see you on Friday for a clutch install. Peace out.